Light rail is part of the continuing transformation of Parramatta, Sydney's second CBD. It will support growth and renewal between Westmead and Strathfield and help to deliver places that attract people to live, work and visit. The preferred network includes a core spine linking Westmead Hospital, Parramatta North Renewal Area, Parramatta CBD, Camellia and Rydalmere before branching to Carlingford and to Strathfield via Sydney Olympic Park. The core spine will bring destinations and precincts in Greater Parramatta closer together, enabling it to function as a productive, livable and exciting CBD. It will also provide a reliable and frequent transport link that will attract business and bring public spaces to life. Light rail will serve a revitalised Camellia, running along Grand Avenue lined with shops, businesses and cafes. And it will replace the existing train service to Carlingford, creating a better link for customers. Students at Western Sydney University's Rydalmere campus will be able to catch light rail from the CBD. Light rail will also serve a new technology and education precinct at Rydalmere, creating jobs in Sydney's growing knowledge economy. Light rail will continue to Strathfield via Sydney Olympic Park, which is already a premier destination for major sporting and entertainment events and is set to grow further as a new town centre surrounded by quality parkland. Light rail has transformed the way people use public transport around the world. It will do the same for Parramatta by providing a reliable turn-up-and-go service that provides an enjoyable journey experience. Parramatta Light Rail, connecting Sydney's second CBD.